Now I'm going to explain level 3 problems. Level 3 problems. Question number 15 mark. Question number 15. So here, given data, e-axis bar. E-axis is equal to E1 we are taking. Distance is R. Next, E2 bar. This is equatorial or this is E2. Distance is this is R1 is equal to R. This is R2 is equal to R. We are taking. Now, so e-axis means e-axis. E-axis means this is minus q, this is a plus q constant. This is a straight line passes through minus q plus q. This is we call equilibrium. This is we call axial point. So this is the direction of electric dipole momentum. This is the direction of e-axis. E-axis and p bar both are same direction. Both are same direction. Now we are getting this is the E1 is equal to e-axis. E-axis is taken as E1. That is a 2 kp by rk. 2 kp by rk for that part. So this is next. This is a minus q. This is a plus q. This straight line passes through minus q plus q. We call this is a axial line. One straight line passes through the center of point. We call this is a equilateral line. Equatorial line. Equatorial line. At this point, this is a P. From here to here is the distance R is equal to 2R. R is equal to 2R. From here to here is the distance is R. This is the direction of eq. This is the direction of P bar. Both are in opposite direction. Both are in opposite direction. This is the E2. E2 means this is the equatorial line is equal. This is the Kp by distance is what is the distance? R is equal to R. 2R whole Kp. This is the value. Now this is the E1 is equal to, so P bar and E bar both are same direction means positive 2 Kp by Rk. You see, this is the direction of equatorial. This is the P bar. Both are in opposite direction. We are taking minus. So E2 is equal to minus Kp by Rk. Kp by Rk now. Kk cancel, Pp cancel, Rk cancel each other. Sorry, this is the 2 Rk bar. 2 Rk. This is a E1 is equal. And E2 is equal to, I'm going to simplify this is E2. So Kp by 2R whole power of Kp, 2 Kp means 8, that is 8 R Kp. This is E1 is equal to, what is E1? 2 Kp by R Kp. So divide the two equations and Kp cancel each other, R Kp cancel each other. E2 is equal to, E2 by E1 is equal to minus, that is 2 take upside. That is the value is, what is the value? This is the value is value. E1 is equal to what is the value? 2 plus 2 Kp by Rk. So E2 is equal to what is the value? Kp by 8 Rk. 8 Rk. This is a minus. So divide the two equations E1 by E2. E1 by E2. So we are dividing these two equations. Dividing the two equations, Kp cancel, Rk cancel. E1 by E2 is equal to minus 8 to 16. This is the, so E1 by 16 is equal to, this is E2 is equal to minus E1 by 16. That is your answer. This is your answer. Next question. This is a 15 question. Question number 16. Question number 16. The particle having is given diagram. This is U 45 degrees. Direction of electric field is equal to 10 power of 3 volt per meter. This is given. A particle having, this is a particle having the charge that an electron is equal to 1.6 into mass of the electron. This is a mass of the electron. Mass of the electron is equal to 1.6 into 10 power of minus 30 kg. Is projected with initial speed u, the making angle theta with the horizontal from the lower plate of the plate capacitor electron. Plate are sufficiently long and have separation. Separation is, this is a D. D is equal to 2 centimeters. D is equal to 2 centimeters. This is a D is equal to 2 into 10 power of minus 2 meter. This is a convert to meter. The maximum value of the velocity of particle not hit the upper plate. Not hit the upper plate. The maximum velocity. Okay. Maximum height means, what is the maximum height? Height is equal to u square sin square theta by 2g. 2g. This is a g means, what is the, this is a g, acceleration to gravity is equal to e cube by m. E cube by m. So now h is equal to u square sin square theta by 2 e cube by m. 2 e cube by m. X means, this is a taken as distance between the two plates, taken as height of the plate. 2 into 10 power of minus 2 u square. We have to find out. So we have to find out u value. So value, and that is u square sin square theta. Sin square 45 degrees. 45 degrees. This is a 2 into E means, what is a E? 10 power of 3, and Q means, what is a Q? Charge of electron. We are taking 1.6 into 10 power of minus 19, and mass of the electron 1.6 into 10 power of minus 30. So now we are going to simplify this one. 2 into 10 power of minus 2 is equal to u square sin square 45. That is a 1 by 2. 1 by 2 sin 45. 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2. 1 by 2. So this is a 2 into, and 1.6 cancel each other. 10 power of 3 into 10 power of minus 19. 10 power of minus 30 take upside. That is a plus 30. So this is a 2 into 10 power of minus 2 is equal to u square. This is a 1 by 2 by 2 into, this is a value 10. This is a 30, this is a 33, and this is a, what is the value? Minus 16 plus 30. So what is the value? This is a 4 to 1. This is a 14 plus 14 plus 14. That is a, so next, this is a 2 into 10 power of minus 2 is equal to u square by 2 into 2, 4 into 10 power of 14. And u square is equal to 2 into 10 power of minus 4 into 10 to the power of 14. U square is equal to 2 into 2 into 4. That is 8 into 10 power of minus plus 12. Plus 12. So I take this side. 8 into 10 to the power of 12. That is, this is 8. 2 into 2 into 2 square into 2. That is the value. This is a 10 power of 6 volt. Square root cancel each other. This is, we are going to square root cancel. This is a root 2 into 10 power of 6. This is a u. This is a meter per second. That is the u. That is a u. Next question. Question number 17. A thin copper ring This is a copper ring. Radius is A. Is a charge, Q charge. Charge is Q. And electron is placed at the center of copper ring. Electron. This is electron is placed at the center of ring. If the electron is displaced a little, it will have the frequency. Just a little. What will happen? What will happen? So we have to find out the frequency. We know very well one formula. So force means kinetic force. Kinetic force is acting on axis. Axis means that is K Q square. That is one. This is Q means this is one more Q means this is Q square by K, and this is radius. This is R square plus. This is R means this is X square whole power of 3/2. This is force equation. E is equal to force by F by E is equal to now K Q square by R square plus X square whole power of 3/2. 3/2. This is X one. X. This is a general equation. I am writing general equation. Now this is a by F. This is a Q. This is a E means F by Q, and Q cancel each other. E is equal to K Q by R square plus X square whole power of 3/2. This is a general equation. I written. This is a general equation. General equation. But here, this is a radius. This is a radius. Radius given. I'm going to write this is the E means intensity of electric field. Intensity of electric field. This K means 1/4 pi epsilon naught Qx by. This is a charge. Qx by. This is a radius A square plus axis X square whole power of 3/2. This is equation. This is a general equation. This is a 3/2. Now, but actually the thing is, this electron is placing on here, from here to X. But here, this is shifted to here. This electron is shifting here, means that is we are neglecting X much less than X. That's why we are going to neglecting X square. We are going to neglect the H square. So this is condition. H should be neglected. Should be neglecting. Neglecting H, neglecting E is equal to K Q by X by X should be neglect means that is A square whole power of 3/2. Whole power of 3/2. E is equal to K Q X by A square whole power of 3/2. Square and cancel. E is equal to K Q X by this is A power of 3. A power of 3. This is a word. But we want to find out the frequency. We want to find out the. This is E is equal to. E is equal to. So F is intensity of electric field is equal to F by Q. F by Q. So F E is equal to F by. So what is and that is E. We are going to E. So next this is E is equal to K Q X by A K. E means I'm going to place F by E. F by E is equal to K Q X by A cube. This is F is equal to E. Take this side. K Q E X by this is the A cube. This is a K. I'm going to write 1/4 pi. 1/4 pi epsilon naught. K means 1/4 pi epsilon naught. The next term, this is a force. This is a force I'm taking according to Newton's second law. Newton's second law, F is equal to ma. I'm writing this is ma is equal to qex by 4 pi epsilon naught a cube. A cube. This is a is equal to ex by 4 pi epsilon naught a cube. This is I'm checking. This is a This is the acceleration. This is the acceleration. This is a is equal to this is a directly proportional x. A directly proportional x. A is equal to minus k, minus k. A means acceleration, x means displacement. A and x both are in opposite direction. Opposite direction. K means what is value of k? This is the value of k. So k is equal to what is the value? QE by 4 pi epsilon naught a cube m. This is the k. That is the k value. Now, so that is a simple harmonic motion. That expression, this expression. So this expression means a simple harmonic motion. Simple harmonic motion. Now, so t is equal to 2 pi root of m by k. M by k. So f is equal to 1 by 2 pi root of k by m. K by m. K by m. So now f is equal to 1 by 2 pi root of k means what is the k value? K value means 1 by 2 pi m by. The k value means what is the k value? M by k. We need a frequency. We need frequency. We need frequency. We need a frequency. That is the frequency is equal to k. That is a value. So this is a so frequency is equal to 1 by 2 pi root of k by m. K by m. K by m. Correct? We know t is equal to t is equal to 5 root of m by k. M by k. T is equal to 5 root of m by k. K means what is the value? QE by 4 pi epsilon naught a cube m. A cube m. So now this is t is equal to 5 root of this is m by this is m by 1 by m into 4 pi epsilon naught a cube m by QE. So now this is T and F both are inversely proportional. F is equal to 1 by 2F. F is equal to QE by 4 pi epsilon naught a cube m square. A cube m square. We are going to write that is okay. That is your answer. Now we simplify this equation. No need to this in that process. Simply we are taking this is a omega square is equal to, we are going to compare omega square is equal to QE by 4 pi epsilon naught a cube m. A cube m. This square take this side means this is a QE by 4 pi epsilon naught a cube m. Omega means 2 pi f. Omega means 2 pi f. 2 pi f is equal to root of QE by 4 pi epsilon naught a cube m. This is f, take this side, and 2f take this side 1 by 2f root of QE by 4 pi epsilon naught a cube m. This is your answer. Now here we can take this is a constant value k value. This is a is equal to general formula a is equal to minus omega square x. Omega square you take in a simple harmonic motion. Omega is equal to 2 pi m. Omega is equal to 2 pi m. That is this is your answer. That is your. So next question. Question number. Question number 18. The question number 18, what is given here? A thin fixed ring of radius. Ring radius is, what is the radius? R is equal to 1 meter. R is equal to 1 meter. As the first chart, uniformly distributed over it. First chart is uniformly distributed over it. This is the first chart. First chart is equal to, first charge is equal to 1 into 10 power of minus 5, and mass of the particle is equal to 0.9 gram. This is converted into 0.9 into 10 power of minus 3 case. Converted into mass case. And having the negative charge is placed on axis. This is x-axis. The negative charge is, this is the negative charge. Negative charge. Q is equal to, negative charge is placed 1 into 10 power of minus 6 is placed on axis at a distance of 1 centimeter from the center. X is equal to how many centimeter? X is equal to 1 centimeter. X is equal to 1 centimeter. This is X is equal to 1 into 10 power of minus 2 meter. From the center of the ring. Assume that oscillation has a small amplitude, time period of oscillation. Time period of oscillation. We have to find out the time period of oscillation. Time period of oscillation. Time period of oscillation. Actually, this is a ring. This ring having the positive charges. This ring having positive charges. Positive charges. This is the center of the ring. This is the radius of the ring. This is the x-axis, and this is the negative charge. Negative charge is placed on the axis. Distance between center of ring and position of the negative charge is x is equal to 1 centimeter. X is equal to 1 centimeter. R is equal to 1. Now, general formula. What is the general formula for this one? The general formula is, this is what we are going to find out. The negative charge, this is positive charge. What we are going to find. Force is equal to general formula. F is equal, this is the charge, I'm taking the positive charge, this is the negative charge, I'm taking the negative charge, this is the negative charge. This is the F is equal to K capital Q small q x by radius R square and x square whole power of 3 by 2. This is the general formula. 3 by 2, this is the general formula. This is the general formula. What we have to do here means F is equal to K means 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught and capital Q small q x by R square plus x square whole power of 3 by 2. So we should neglect x value. So this particle moves oscillation. This particle moves along the cycle means that is performing simple harmonic motion means we have to neglect x value. We have to neglect h value. X value. H much less than r. H much less than r. F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught and the capital Q small q x by. Don't neglect this value. Don't neglect r square. This value should neglect r square over power of 3. This is F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught capital Q small q x by and the square cancel each other. That is the r cube. That is the r cube. This is the value. Now this is the value is this is become that is F directly proportional. F is equal to kx. This is F means ma. K by m. This is ax. Ax both are in opposite. This is the compared to this is a minus k by mx. This is already I told you minus omega square x. So omega square is equal to k by m. K by m. Omega is equal to root of k by m. So omega is equal to 2 pi m. 2 pi m. And now we want to t is equal to 1 by f. T is equal to 1 by f. T is equal to. This is a 2 pi f is equal to root of k by m. This is f is equal to 1 by 2 pi root of k by m. T is equal to, this is a t is equal to 2 pi root of m by k. M by k, this is the time. That is the time. But what is the k value? This is a compared to this equation. This is the k value. The k is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught and the capital Q small q by r cube. This is the k value. That is the k value. So now, so what we are going to do here? There is a general equation. Do you know very well this one? Do you know very well? For this one, very well. Now, I am going to write this thing. I am going to write simplification. That is a T is equal to pi root of m by k. But k value is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught capital Q small q by r k. Now k is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon means 9 into 10 power of 9. Capital Q means 1 into 10 power of minus 5. Small q means negative charge 1 into 10 power of minus 6 by distance or means radius of the ring. Radius of the ring is 1 cube. So k is equal to 9 into 10 to the power of 9. This is a minus 5, minus 6, minus 11, minus 11. This is a minus 3, minus 5. 1 cube means 1. This is a k value. This is a k value. Now c is equal to pi root of m. M value means what is the mark? 0.9 into 10 power of minus 3 by k value is 9 into 10 power of minus 3. Minus 3 minus cancel. So t is equal to pi root of this is 9 by 90. 9 by this is a 1 cancel. This is a root 10. This is a 2 pi root of 10. Root of 9 into 10 power of 9 and q means 1 into 10 power of minus 5 and 10 power of minus 6. So, this is a minus 11 and 11. This is the value is 9 minus this is a 5 10 minus 11 by 1. So k is equal to 9 into 10 power of minus this is a t is equal to 5 root of m. M means 0.9 into 10 power of minus 3 by 9 into 10 power of minus. T is equal to 2 pi root of this is a 9 into 10 power of minus 4 plus 2 by 9. 9 can. T is equal to 2 pi root of this is a 10 to the power of minus 2. This is a t is equal to 2 pi root of this is a 1 by 100. So this is a t is equal to 5 by 10. This is a 2 1 to 5 5 by 5 by 5. That is the your answer. Which is the t value is that the t value is 6.028. That is your answer. Second, that is your answer. Next question. So 19 question. So what is given? Sphere. This is a sphere. Sphere carrying charge Q is equal to 0.016 is kept at rest without falling down, touching a wall by touching wall. This is a wall. Wall touching. Electric field is this is the field direction. This is the field direction. So F is equal to EQ. This is the direction of F. Is E is equal to 100 newtons per coulomb. The coefficient of friction between the sphere and wall is 0.2 and weight of the sphere. This is the weight of the sphere. This is the friction. Friction. The coefficient of friction is decided as 0. Mu is equal to 0.2. This is the friction is acting upon it. Acting. This is a given dilemma. This is sphere. The sphere having the charges. The sphere carries charges. This one. This sphere attached to the touch to the wall, but the sphere does not slide down. Slide down. So this is the weight. This is the weight of the sphere as vertically downward direction. This is the friction as upward direction. Upward direction. This line we call this is a normal reaction. Normal reaction. Now come to the point. The block is rest. The sphere is at rest, and apply the balancing forces. That is F is equal to mg. Mg is equal to F. Do you know F is equal to mu n? Mu and mg is equal to mu n. So now n is equal to force. N is equal to what is the force? Electric force EQ. N is equal to, we are going to write mg mu. N means EQ. E, we are going to find out weight. Weight is equal to W is equal to weight. W is equal to weight. Mu means 0.2 and E means 100. Q means what is the Q? 0.01. So value is this is the 0.01 means that is 1 and 0.2 this is the weight. This is the weight. That is your this is the question number 19. This is answer. This is the answer. Next question. Question number 20. The question number 20. What is given here? So here figure is given. You see the figure. Alpha is equal to 30 degrees. This is a normal mechanical alpha. This is mg cos alpha. This is mg sin alpha. Sin alpha. This is EQ. I mean force, electric force. This is a making angle theta. So we are checking theta. This is a theta. Making angle theta means this is EQ cos theta. One more component is along EQ sin theta. Sin theta. This is the given figure. That is here the block is rest. The block is rest. The block is rest means that is a normal reaction. N is equal to mg. This is a normal reaction that is equal to this one. mg cos alpha plus EQ sin theta. Sin theta. This is equation. Next, this is a mg. This is a friction force at upper. mg sin alpha is equal to F plus EQ cos theta. So F is equal to mu n. Mu n mg Sin alpha is equal to mu and plus EQ cos theta. This value take beside mu and is equal to mg sin alpha minus EQ cos theta. EQ cos theta. Mu is equal to mg sin alpha minus EQ cos theta by n. So n means mg cos theta. Now n, that is n. Now we are going to calculate that. Now alpha is equal to 30 degrees. This is 30, 30. So this is the value is this is 30. This is 60. Again, this is the from K series. Theta is equal to 30. Alpha is equal to 30. Theta is equal to also 30 degrees. 30 degrees. Now come to the point. I'm going to find out the n. N is equal to m means what is the mass? Mass of the block. Mass of the block. M is equal. M is equal to 1 kc and charge is equal to 0.013. 0.13. And coefficient of friction is equal to mu is equal to 1 by 2 root 3. But we have to find out electric field E. We are going to find out E value. E value. This is where. Now n value is equal to n is equal to m. M means 1. G means we are checking K. G means m is 1. G means K. Cos 30. Cos 30 plus E means what is the E? We don't know. And Q means 0.01 and sin 30. Sin. So this is the n is equal to and cos 30 root 3 by plus E. This is a 0.01 sin 30 1 by. So this is n is equal to 5 root 3 plus this is a value is this is E by this is we are going to write 200. This is a n value. N value. Next mu is equal to now I'm writing this one mu is equal to what is the mu value 1 by 2 root 3. 1 by 2 root 3. This is the root. 1 by 3. M means 1. G means 10. Sin 30. Sin 30 minus E we don't know. Q means 0.01 and cos 30 that is the answer. So 1 by 2 root 3 is equal to 10 cos 30 1 by 2 minus E. This is the value 0.01 cos 30 root 3 by 2. That is the answer. 1 by 2 root 3 is equal to, and this is a 5 minus this is E. This is the value we are going to write 200. This is a root 3 by n means 5 root 3 plus E by 200. E by 200. This now, so what we have to do, like the cross multiply this value. So 5 root 3 plus E by 200 is equal to 2 root 3 into 5 minus E by root 3 by 200 into 2 root 3. So 5 root 3 plus E by 200 is equal to, this is a 10 root 3 minus 2E. This is a root 3, 3. That is a 6 by 200. 200. This value take the side. E by 200 plus 60 by 200 is equal to 10 root 3 minus 5. 5 root 3. Root 3 take the common. 10 minus 5. That is root 3. 5 root 3. This is a 5. So this is the value. E and 200 take the common. 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6. This is a E7 by 200. E7 by 200 is equal to 5 root 3. 5 root 3. 5. This is the value is we need E is equal to this is the 200. This is the value 5 into 200 root 3 by this is a 7. This is 1000 by 7 root 3. 1000 by this value is E is equal to 1.428 root 3. That is the lower value of it. That is the answer. E is equal to 142.8 root. That is the yours. That is the your answer. This is question number 2. Question number your answer is that is so T is equal to 1000 by 7 root 3. That is 1.2.8 root 3. That is the your answer. This is the your answer. That is your answer. Next question. Next question number 23. Question number 23. So this is given I cap. This is the I. This is the J cap I given wrong, I think. This is a point. Semicircle radius is R. Semicircular ring of radius. Radius is R. And positive charges are distributed uniform. In net field, electric field open. Here we have to find out E net. E net on question mark. So already I told you this is Q naught. This is the charge. What is the charge in this one? This is a positive charge. This is a this Q will repel to this Q naught is downward direction. This is the electric field direction. Electric field direction. Direction of electric field is in minus J bar. Minus J bar. Direction of E bar is minus J cap. Minus J cap. Minus J cap. Already explained you shortcut. Shortcut E is equal to lambda by 2 pi epsilon naught or sin theta by sin theta. So lambda is equal to charge per length. Charge per length. So arc means already I explained to arc. This is a radius, this is a theta, this is a L is equal to r theta. Lambda is equal to q by, this is charge, q means I'm thinking q by small q by L means r theta. This is put in this equation. E is equal to lambda means 1 by 2 pi epsilon naught or lambda means q by r theta sin theta by 2. Sin theta. So E is equal to 1 by 2 pi epsilon naught r into r squared theta. This is the q. This is the sin theta by 2. This is the formula. This is the E arc. This is also one model, E arc. But given options in the charge q, it is not given a lambda. It is not given a lambda. We are using this one. But what is the theta? Theta is equal to semicircle. Theta is equal to pi. Theta is equal to pi. Always E arc is equal to q by 2 pi epsilon naught r square 1 by theta. 1 by theta means pi. Sin theta means pi by 2. Sin 90. This value is 1. So E arc is equal to q by 0.5 pi square epsilon naught r square. This is a 1. This is the value is 1. But direction of electric field is minus j cap. Minus j cap. E arc is equal to minus q by 2 pi square epsilon naught r square. This is the j cap. J cap. That is your answer. That is your next question number 20. Question number 20. Question number 22. Particle of minus 2 and moves with a circular orbit. This is a circle mass. A particle of minus q and mass m moves in a circular orbit. This is a moves in a circular orbit. Radius is or smaller. About the fixed is a positive charge is fixed at the center. Relation between the radius of orbit and time period. Relation between small r and time period. Time. So now come to the point. This is this negative charge moves in a circular path means that need a centripetal force. That is centripetal force is equal to electrostatic force. Electrostatic force. Electrostatic force means generally 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught and charge is capital Q. This is negative charge taken as positive in a distance between r square. Next, the centripetal force means m is squared by r. M is squared by r. M means mass of the. So this is both are equal means that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Capital Q small q by r square is equal to m is squared by r. Small r cancel. This is we are going to write it. This is k capital Q small q by r is equal to this is a m is squared. We do relation between the small r and b is equal to r omega. This is a relation between linear velocity, angular velocity, and capital Q and small q by r is equal to. So this is a v. I'm keeping. This is r omega whole square. Capital Q by r is equal to, that is r square omega square. R square omega square. This ought take this side capital Q small q by the m and omega squared m I'm taking r into r cube. This is the omega square. So omega means 2 pi f. 2 pi f. F is equal to 1 by 2. That is the omega is equal to 2 pi by TL. In this is a capital K and capital Q small q by m. This is r cube. This is the omega means that is a 2 pi by 2 volts. This is a volts. This is the capital K, capital Q, small q by m. This is the R cube. This is R cube, and in answer in terms of R cube R. Now this value take this side. So that is 4 pi square by t square. The capital Q, small q by m. This value take this side 4 pi square and t square. This is R cube. So R cube is equal to K capital Q small q t squared by 4 pi square m. This is your answer. Your answer. This is a t square cube. Now K means this is the K means 1 by 4 pi epsilon. K means 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. R cube is equal to this is a K 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught capital Q small q 4 pi square m t square. R cube means that is the R cube is equal to and 4 4 16 pi cube epsilon m t square capital Q small q. That is your answer. Your this. Thank you. Thank you very much. Tomorrow I will explain next part.